Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on XLM. In the past few days after the recent trading volume, we have seen major rally of XLM. And by the way, this time the trading volume of XLM was above its average. And it is also hinting at growing institutional interest, but it's not just about a trading activity. The foundation behind Stellar, the Stellar Development Foundation or SDF, has been building real-world partnerships. SDF teamed up with OpenZeppelin to roll out security tools and smart contract templates for Stellar's new Soroban environment, and that is, by the way, a clear sign that they're preparing the ecosystem for large scale. And that is also a sign of an enterprise level adoption as well. And if that wasn't enough, at Meridian 2025, Stellar's own global conference in Rio, they unveiled a push into Latin America, focusing on stable payments, asset tokenization, and USDC transfers as well. One of the biggest reveals, that is, by the way, came from CryptoBitMag's coverage of Meridian. PayPal's PYUSD stablecoin is officially live on Stellar's network. That means real-world payment integration is not theory, but actual utility in cross-border finance. At the same event, Zepz, that is, by the way, parent company of World Remit and Sendwave, confirmed integration with Stellar-based USDC transfers for faster remittances. Combine that with Grayscale's recent restructuring of its Stellar Trust, that is, by the way, covered by Stock Titan, and you can see that institutional infrastructure is quietly taking shape. So how do these moves affect XLM's potential price trajectory? Well, first, the fundamentals are getting stronger. The networks focus on tokenized assets, cross-border remittances, and stable coins means real transaction volume could rise dramatically. Institutional involvement, from OpenZeppelin's tooling to Grayscale's trust structure, signals deeper trust in Stellar's ecosystem. But here is the flip side as well. The market is still in a consolidation phase, and obviously these developments take time to translate into price action. And competition from other payment-focused blockchains remains fierce. In short, the groundwork looks bullish, but the payoff may depend on continued adoption and sentiment in the broader crypto space. So while everyone's busy watching the next meme coin, Stellar's quietly building the financial race of the future. And that's exactly why big players are starting to notice. Now we are on the live chart of Stellar for the price analysis, but before we begin with this, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe, and for daily trading signals, you can join my Patreon or YouTube memberships because there I am sharing daily trading signals. And I've also shared the trading signal report in the video description as well, so you can check how my trading signals work. And you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup mentioned in that report, like this, the trade setup for ASR. And after that, it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on that chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like here, I'm clicking on the chart. And you can watch the complete trade setup here. This is the buying zone, sell target zone, the stop loss. And here you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 26th of September 2025. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rally to the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now let's take a look at the live chart of Stellar, and this is the 7-day time frame chart. First of all, let me show you the daily time frame, and here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is getting rejected by this down trend line resistance. Before that, we have already broken out this down channel, quite long-term down channel as well. And I'm expecting that as soon as the price breaks out this down trend line resistance, then soon it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel that is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 63 cents. And on the 7-day time frame chart, we have already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge back in 2022, and I was telling you that the movement is quite squeezed, therefore after the breakout we can expect a very massive rally, and technical target will be here at the top of the wedge, that is somewhere between 80 cents to $1, and now we are very close to hit that target as well. And now let's take a look at this more very, very important move, the most important move. That is a very, very huge and multi-year based ascending triangle. And since after the month of July 2017, the price of Stellar is moving inside this triangle. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, and now it is again moving very close to the resistance of the triangle. By the way, right now we are watching on a monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this is a multi-year space triangle, very, very long term. And in case of breaking out this triangle, it can start a very, very massive and major rally for the long term. And the long term target for the breakout from this triangle will be here. That will be approximately at $50. But that's all the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.